In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to snooze Google Calendar reminders. This topic might seem simple at first glance, but it's packed with nifty tips to make managing your schedule easier and more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, let's get you logged into Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Calendar login page. You'll need to type in your email address and password. Once you've entered your credentials, hit Next to proceed. It might seem basic, but ensuring you're logged into the correct account is crucial, especially if you're juggling between personal and professional calendars. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your Google Calendar for October 2024. Yes, we're planning way in advance here, but the beauty of Google Calendar is its ability to let you manage your time months or even years ahead. Next step, click on the Settings option. You'll find this by looking for the gear icon, usually located in the top right-hand corner of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Settings allow you to customize your Google Calendar experience to fit your personal preferences. Within settings, we'll focus on notification settings. This is paramount for managing how and when you get reminded of upcoming events. It's quite common to overlook this part, but customizing your notifications can significantly influence your productivity and time management. It's now time to refine how you receive these notifications. Click on the first drop-down menu in the notification settings. Here you're presented with various options, but we're specifically interested in desktop notifications. Selecting this option enables notifications to appear directly on your desktop, ensuring you never miss out on important reminders, even when you're not actively looking at your calendar. But let's make it even more suited to your needs. Click on the second drop-down menu. You'll likely see a default setting like 0 minutes before event. This means you'll get notified precisely at the event's start time. Depending on your preference, you might want to adjust this. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, the focus is on snoozing, not preemptive reminders. Tailoring your Google Calendar reminders this way can really enhance your day-to-day workflow. It's all about getting the right information at the right time. And remember, these settings aren't set in stone. You can come back and adjust them anytime your routine changes or if you find a different setup that works better for you. That's it for today's walkthrough on snoozing Google Calendar reminders. I hope you found these tips helpful. Customizing your notification settings is a small change that can lead to big improvements in how you manage your time and commitments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune in for more tech tips and tricks.